Hey, Joel in Napa. This is my brake booster testing apparatus, and I'm going to test your brake booster. Got it all hooked up here. Trying to figure out where to focus this thing. Anyway, what we're looking at are the gauges, and what we're going to do is I'm explaining to you what the gauges are doing. We've got our vacuum here, and this gauge is going to register what the vacuum pump is putting out, and 20 inches give or take, and this is going to match it until the brake booster is in operation. And then the more the brake booster is activated, the more this will closer it gets to zero, until it finally reaches zero with full activation of the booster. Over here we've got hydraulic, and this is input. And what happens is this gauge goes up, maxes out, and then this gauge goes up and goes to the point at which I'm getting max pressure out of my master cylinder, which is actually this lever right here connected to a piston. And we have output, and this gauge will go up and max out, and this gauge will then follow to give our final pressure. Now, without vacuum, for instance, what we can do is we will activate the master cylinder by doing the lever, and we've got our final pressure here, which is about maxing out at 350, and that will be shown over here on this gauge, and the same here. Now obviously that is without vacuum boost, and so we will reset the machine by turning this lever, or that handle. Now we can have vacuum. Alright, and since this is a 2-to-1 booster ratio, whatever we have input here, we're going to have double on the output. And there we have between 600 and 900 psi. We got our output of 300, 350, and there's our input of 350, output, and we will show the gauges as we activate. Activated, full pressure. Now we check the booster, make sure we don't have any leaks, because at 350 input and 750 output, you're going to have some leaks if it's going to leak. Got your new bleed screws, and we also don't have any leaks here in the vacuum portion, so that is a very nice booster. Thank you for your patience.